Hello everyone, welcome to our new channel AI in Healthcare. Today we will learn about how can we resize our images in the folder and why we need to reside in less quality in the deep learning project, because many times you can find that high quality images take lots of time for computation, and also the cost for computation is very high. So we are doing right now for a binary classification. That's why we are resizing these images, and you can see that this image is 512 into 512 pixel PNG file, and I want to convert it to 299 into 299 pixels. So how can we convert with the help of Python? Let's do. Okay, suppose I have to create one new file, and Python file, and I have put its name is resize image dot py. Okay, now firstly what we have to do, we have to import OS. Now we have to import PIL. From uh, PIL we have to import image. So from PIL import image. What is PIL? PIL is basically used for manipulating the images, means manipulating the image like resizing and many things we can do on the with the help of PIL. So for next thing, we have to set the part of to the folder where contain we have the all images. So we will tell the path, folder path equals to R, and we have to see the path location. Okay, so here is our all data. So we will copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we have to set the desired width of the images, like height and width. So I have right width is equal to 299, and height equal to also 299 pixels. Okay, so now we have to what we have to do, we have to iterate over each file in the folder. Okay, so we have to go one by one in the each file name. Okay, so we will do it for file name in os dot list directory folder path. Okay, what will it will do? It will list all the images in the folder. Okay, so it will return a list of all the files in the folder. Means how much for every file, for every images. Okay, now we have to put folder path. Now we have to check if the image is in the folder, is there all our images or not. If we have images, we have to apply this, and if we don't have images, it will not apply for that. So we have to check it. So how can we check? we have to write if command, if file name ends with png png jpg and jpeg, and one last, suppose we have also a GIF file. Okay, so we will treat it as a images. Okay, so we have to now we have to open image file. Okay, how can we open? We can open it by the assigning a variable, suppose image path, and we have to join the image folder with image file name. Okay, so we have to use join function, os.path dot join to to join the folder path with the file name. Suppose we have a folder name small data set, and but we have a image name is suppose 268 26480 underscore 003. Okay, I'm talking about this images, and we want to iterate to is this file. And so we have gone to this small data set folder. Now we are joining each image file. Firstly, it will go for 03, then it will go for 00, then it will go for last one. Okay, so os.part.join dot folder path comma file name. Okay, now we have to open the image. Image equal to image dot open image. We have to open the image, so we have give the location of the images, means path basically. Okay, now next point is we have to resize the images. Okay, so we need to do resize. So how can we do resize underscore image equals to image dot resize. Now here we have to give the width and height, means what we want. I mean, suppose we want 299 into 299, we will give the here width and height. Okay, so width and height. Yeah. Now we have to save the these resized images and overwrite the original file. Means basically we don't want we don't want these images, we want to override in this folder. So how can we do that? We will write simply override these images. How? Let's resize, we have to save it in the same location path. Okay, image path. Now we have overwritten the all images. Now we have to close all the things. close the image. Sorry, we have to close the image after overwriting the image. Now, this is the simple program we have to write. Okay. Now, we have to save this and run it. Okay. So, firstly, it is telling that file location because we have this file in the D drive. Okay, and we want to do it in the C drive folder in the small data set. So what we have to do, we have to copy this file. Okay, we have to copy this file, copy this file and paste it here. Okay, okay. Uh, Now we have to open this. Okay, now again we have to write. It is saying from PIL import images. Okay. So how can we import the PIL? We can import the PIL by using the pillow package. Okay. So we have to run this file and cannot import name image from PIL. Okay. Uh, okay. 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 Yeah. I understand. I think here I put it the form. Now it will tell that, yeah, okay. Now we have to run. And yeah, I think it is successful. Now we have to check. Okay, you can see that earlier we have a 512 into 512. Now we have the dimension is 299 into 299. Okay, so we have converted this file name. Now we have to apply this function and we want to convert it to 400 into 400 pixels. Okay, so we have to just change it to 400 into 400 and now we have to run. Okay, now we have to check the location and now we have to check again. Yeah, 400 control save. Yeah, it is. Now I have to open this again and yeah, here you can see that it is a 400 into 400 pixel. Okay, by applying this function, you can resize your image, whole folder images with a single this page code means few line of code. You don't need to go for particular one by one to resize it. You can easily write this code and it will convert whole images in the desired resize images. Uh, Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video and do subscribe my channel. And I will give you more AI healthcare related thing in this channel. So thank you.